Do you ever wonder why we recommend that when you're punching, you have the slot in the handle of the punch needle facing the direction that you're punching in? In today's Oxford Moment, we're going to explain why. Let's take a look. I'm going to do today's demonstration with wool strips, as it makes the results very obvious of keeping the needle aligned with the direction that we're punching in. As I start out, I'm following the path of the circle. And now I'm going to start to do it wrong. Instead of having my needle turning so that the channel is following the circle, I'm just keeping it aligned to how I originally did. And I'm punching along like so. You can see that because I wasn't turning and following the path of the circle, that my stitches on the back start to get misaligned. They are twisting and turning and eventually end up being very awkwardly shaped. Let's take a look at what this looks like on the other side. You can see that where I started out punching, they're aligned nicely, but then as I didn't keep turning my punch needle, they start to become more and more misplaced, and they're almost snaggletooth looking as we come around the rest of the corner. This time we're going to punch it again. I'm going to use a green wool strip, and we're going to punch it the correct way in keeping the channel of the punch needle facing the direction we're traveling in at all times. So every single time I make a stitch, I'm making tiny little adjustments while it is down in the backing, and I'm following the curve of my circle with that slot in the handle facing that direction that I'm traveling in. On the loopy side, you can really clearly see the dramatic difference that following the shape with the channel of the punch needle makes. Here, these loops are all beautifully aligned, all like a little road going around. Everything is all in place compared to the section that we did incorrectly. Although we punch with wool strips today, this tip is just as important when you're punching with yarn. To learn more, visit the Oxford Rug Cooking School website and check out our online classes or find an Oxford Certified Instructor near you. Also, don't forget to sign up for our newsletter. The information is in the description below. Thanks so much. Happy punching!